Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the Midea air conditioner remote control. This is the on off button. With the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. Each time you press this button, the air conditioner switches to the next mode. You can set 5 modes with the mode button: auto, cooling, drying, heating, and fan. Most users use the air conditioner for cooling, and therefore we start with the explanation of the mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner has switched to cooling mode. In this mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, you can choose a temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. It is not recommended to set the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius as it can cause cold. To switch to the next mode, we press the mode button and the water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode. It is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the fan speed to auto fan speed, because in this case the fan speed will be regulated with the help of a microprocessor. The air conditioner will reach the nominal mode faster, and the evaporator will be covered with snow only at temperatures close to 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to this mode, press the fan button several times. When this symbol appears, the air conditioner switches to auto fan speed mode. In heating mode, the air conditioner needs to operate for 20-40 minutes for it to operate at nominal power. When you press the mode button again, the fan symbol appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again to switch to auto mode. In auto mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the set temperature. For example, if we set the air conditioner to temperature to 24 degrees Celsius, then if the air temperature in the room is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode. And if it is higher, the air conditioner will operate in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. Now I will explain how to use the other buttons. The sleep button is used to prevent colds that may occur due to the air conditioner while sleeping. Let's say that while lying down in our bed, we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius in the cooling mode and press the sleep button. At this time, a crescent and the star appears on the screen. After about 2 hours of operation, the temperature will automatically be raised 1 degree by 1 degree. After a few hours, it will be raised again by 1 degree Celsius. The turbo button increases the speed of the air conditioner fan to the maximum and returns to previous mode after 15 minutes of operation in this mode. This mode is used to intensify cooling. The LED button is used to turn the air conditioner's light on and off. The swing button is used to move the air conditioner's blinds up and down without stopping, and the direct button is used to stop them in any direction. The shortcut button is used to save your favorite mode in the air conditioner's memory. For example, if cooling mode, after selecting the air conditioner temperature as a 24 degrees Celsius and the fan speed as medium. If you press and hold the shortcut for 2 seconds, this mode is saved in the air conditioner's memory. Even if the settings have been changed after you can simply press the shortcut button to return to your favorite mode. The timer on button is designed to turn on the air conditioner in standby mode after a certain time. In standby mode, for example, we want the air conditioner to turn on after 10 hours. Then we press the timer on button, set it to 10 hours and remove our finger. The air conditioner will automatically turn on after 10 hours. To exit the timer on mode, you need to reset the timer on button setting. Or you can cancel this mode by turning the air conditioner on and off with the on-off button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 6 hours, then we press the timer off button, set it to 6 hours and remove our finger. The air conditioner will turn off after 6 hours of operation. To exit this mode, it is enough to reset the timer of setting or press the on-off button. Thank you for watching us until the end.